Eliminate phlegm, cough, and congestion in your lungs with the miracle of salt. Did you know how miraculous salt is in eliminating bacteria, fungi, and mold? Yes, the salt we all have in our homes possesses incredible properties and acts as a remedy, especially for the lungs. In this video, we will explain how to use salt to clean your lungs, relieve cough and phlegm, and help you breathe more comfortably. If you're ready, let's first talk about the medicinal properties of salt and then how it can be used for lung health. What are the medicinal properties of salt? Salt is a mineral primarily composed of sodium chloride, and it can be found in different sizes and shapes, with varying trace elements. These trace elements can influence the taste and cost of the salt, but fundamentally, salt is sodium chloride. A lesser-known property of salt is its effectiveness against bacteria, fungi, yeast, and mold. For example, salt is added to raw meat to prevent bacterial growth and is used in fermenting sauerkraut to aid in bacterial fermentation. Salt draws water out of cells, causing microbes to dehydrate. This leads to the death of bacteria, fungi, yeast, and mold. Another significant effect of salt is that it thins mucus. Mucus is a slippery, gel-like substance naturally found in systems such as respiratory, digestive, and reproductive systems. When mucus production increases in the lungs, it results in phlegm. Salt removes water from the mucus, breaking it down and thinning it, which is particularly beneficial for respiratory infections. How can salt be used for lung health? Salt therapy is a beneficial method for supporting lung health. It helps clear mucus accumulated in the respiratory tract and relaxes the airways. Let's explore the usage methods and benefits one by one. 1. Inhaling saltwater steam. You can achieve significant relief by inhaling saltwater steam. Materials needed: 1 liter of boiling water, 1 to 2 tablespoons of natural salt, e.g., sea salt or Himalayan salt, a large bowl or container, a clean towel. Step-by-step instructions. Boil water and pour it into a large bowl. Add salt while the water is still hot, and stir to dissolve completely. Place your face above the steam, covering your head with a towel to trap the steam. Inhale slowly and deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. Saltwater steam can be done a few times a week as needed. However, avoid overdoing it, as excessive steam can dry out the airways. Consult your doctor if you have chronic conditions before trying this. 2. Drinking salt water. Drinking salt water, when done correctly, can support lung and overall respiratory health. Mix a quarter or half teaspoon of salt into a glass, 250 milliliters of warm water. Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. For added benefits, you can include a teaspoon of organic apple cider vinegar. Caution: excess salt intake may cause dehydration or raise blood pressure. Those with hypertension or kidney problems should consult their doctor before use. 3. Breathing sea air and gargling with seawater. Sea air contains fine salt particles that help cleanse and relax the respiratory tract. Gargling with seawater softens and clears mucus from the throat, reducing irritation and preventing mucus buildup in the lungs. 4th. Hypertonic saline therapy. This therapy is performed under medical supervision and is particularly effective for chronic respiratory conditions. A nebulizer device is used to deliver concentrated salt solutions, hypertonic saline, deep into the airways, helping clear mucus and improve breathing. 5. Using a salt lamp in your bedroom. Natural salt lamps like Himalayan salt lamps absorb moisture in the air and create a mild ionization process. They purify the air by absorbing allergens like dust, pollen, and smoke. Place them in your most frequently used spaces, especially your bedroom. Ensure the bulb inside the lamp heats up to activate the salt's effects. For more helpful tips like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our updates. Stay healthy.
Enhance your lung health with the healing power of salt. Salt is not only a culinary staple, but also a therapeutic mineral with incredible benefits for lung health. Modern studies and historical practices alike demonstrate the powerful role salt can play in clearing mucus, reducing respiratory inflammation, and combating pathogens. This extended guide dives deeper into the scientific evidence supporting salt therapy and its applications for lung health. the science behind salt's medicinal properties. Salt, chemically known as sodium chloride, has unique physical and chemical properties that make it an excellent antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory agent. Here's how salt interacts with the body and environment. Osmotic effect. Salt draws water out of cells through osmosis. For bacteria, fungi, and viruses, this creates a dehydrating environment that inhibits their growth and kills them. This mechanism is why salt is historically used for food preservation. Thinning mucus. Mucus in the respiratory tract can become thick and sticky during illness, trapping bacteria and hindering breathing. Salt interacts with water molecules in mucus, reducing its viscosity and aiding in its removal. Anti-inflammatory properties. Salt reduces inflammation by stabilizing immune cells. Research has shown that hypertonic saline, a saltwater solution with higher salt concentration than blood plasma, can reduce airway swelling and improve breathing in conditions such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. Improved ciliary function. The cilia in your respiratory system are tiny hair-like structures that move mucus out of the lungs. Salt therapy enhances ciliary function, promoting efficient mucus clearance. Salt therapy, a historical and modern perspective. Salt therapy, also known as halotherapy, has its roots in ancient practices. For centuries, people have sought the curative properties of salt mines and caves. Modern science supports these traditional remedies. Salt caves and speleotherapy. Visiting salt mines, particularly in Eastern Europe, has been a common practice for respiratory health. Controlled studies have shown improvements in lung function and reduced respiratory symptoms among patients with asthma and bronchitis after exposure to salt-rich environments. Halogenerators. In modern clinics, halogenerators disperse microparticles of dry salt into the air. This controlled environment mimics natural salt caves and has been proven effective for reducing symptoms of allergies, sinusitis, and chronic lung conditions. Applications of salt for lung health. 1. Nebulized hypertonic saline for chronic respiratory diseases. Hypertonic saline, administered via a nebulizer, is a scientifically validated treatment for conditions like cystic fibrosis, COPD, and bronchiectasis. Clinical studies have found mucus clearance. A 7% hypertonic saline solution significantly improves mucus clearance and lung function. Reduced exacerbations. Regular use decreases the frequency of respiratory flare-ups. Enhanced quality of life. Patients report improved breathing, reduced coughing, and better overall health. How it works. The salt solution draws water into the airways, hydrating mucus and making it easier to expel. Caution. This treatment should only be used under medical supervision, as incorrect concentrations may irritate the lungs. 2. Dry salt inhalation for daily wellness. Dry salt inhalation, a component of halotherapy, involves breathing in microscopic salt particles dispersed in the air. This method is especially effective for individuals exposed to pollutants or allergens. Airway cleansing. The fine particles penetrate deep into the lungs, reducing inflammation and promoting mucus clearance. Antimicrobial action. Salt particles eliminate harmful bacteria and viruses from the respiratory tract. Scientific support. A 2021 study published in the Journal of Aerosol Medicine and Pulmonary Drug Delivery demonstrated that halotherapy reduces oxidative stress and inflammation markers in the lungs. The role of salt in managing respiratory infections. Viral and bacterial infections. Respiratory infections often lead to inflammation, excess mucus production, and airway constriction. Salt plays a pivotal role in alleviating these symptoms. Antiviral effects. Research has found that hypertonic saline disrupts viral replication by creating a hostile osmotic environment. Antibacterial action. Salt's antimicrobial properties prevent secondary bacterial infections that often complicate viral illnesses, like the flu. Practical applications. Saltwater gargles, recommended during colds and sore throats. Gargling with warm salt water reduces throat inflammation and eliminates pathogens. Steam inhalation. Adding essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint to saltwater steam enhances its decongestant effects. Salt's role in environmental health. Salt lamps, myth or reality. Himalayan salt lamps are often marketed as natural air purifiers. While their ability to release negative ions is debated, they do absorb moisture and can trap airborne particles. Benefits: for individuals with allergies or asthma, using a salt lamp in living spaces may reduce exposure to irritants. Limitations: the effects are mild compared to active halotherapy or air purifiers. Indoor salt aerosol systems. Salt aerosol generators create a therapeutic microclimate at home. Clinical research has confirmed their benefits. Reduced allergens, effective at neutralizing pollen, dust, and mold spores. Improved sleep. Many users report enhanced sleep quality due to clearer airways. Safety and considerations for salt therapy. While salt therapy is generally safe, certain precautions are necessary. Avoid overuse. Excessive exposure, especially to dry salt aerosols, can irritate sensitive respiratory tissues. Medical supervision. Patients with severe lung diseases should consult a healthcare provider before starting halotherapy. Hydration. Drinking plenty of water is essential to prevent dehydration caused by salt's osmotic effects. Conclusion: embrace the healing power of salt. Salt, a simple yet extraordinary mineral, offers numerous benefits for lung health. Whether through nebulized solutions, halotherapy, or home remedies like steam inhalation and saltwater gargles, incorporating salt into your wellness routine can significantly improve respiratory function. Stay informed, stay safe, and breathe easier with the natural power of salt.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Your comments are very valuable to us. Please make a small comment.